guys hear this? Mdirt Gaming is on. These things are talking and they're.
I hear the Ethan voice.
Oh my god, they're like attacking our ship.
I know, it's a horde.
It's a bad guy.
It's like Magario.
What the pro?
Why you start using that? A dog always talks about frog. I was talking to Minecraft Steve, and let me tell you, he has a lot to say about creepers. He shows up to your house and he blows it up.
Maybe on this.
I looked at the border and I could not believe my eyes. So a green pig here looked a little bit like a, you know what? It was the scariest thing I've ever seen. He approached one of our brave security guys. He do all sorts of great work out there. And he blew up! He killed him and turned him into 17 parts.
Don't see it.
What race he belonged to?
He had one of those little hats on his head.
When he blew up, it came flying off.
It blew up and it landed on my head. I'm not like that.
Yeah, they got him.
And that's why I'm now Jewish.
Yeah.
Ethan, can you give me a bad Googinginga?